Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Scooby token. Name of the token is Scooby, ticker symbol is also Scooby. This token is in the top gainer section today on CoinMarketCap, doing very well. It is up 244.46% right now. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, just like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this video here, the Scooby token. So Scooby, same name, same ticker symbol. Scooby is the name of the token, ticker symbol Scooby. This token's doing very well right now, but there is a big warning at the top of the CoinMarketCap page, and it says the smart contract of the following asset can be modified by the contract creator. For example, disable selling, change fees, mint new tokens, or transfer tokens. Please do your own research and proceed with caution. So, when there's warnings like that, it doesn't necessarily mean like 100% this token's going to be a scam, but it definitely has a big potential to be a scam. So be aware of that. Thoroughly do your own research. You do not want to get rugged by people who can disable selling and alter the smart contract in all sorts of different ways. So thoroughly do your own research before getting this token. Right now they have 1,327 holders, 6,000 transfers, 18 decimal places, and a max total supply of 420,690,000,000,000 tokens. Now, if you want to find their community, they have a Twitter at Scooby-Doo ETH. They also have a Telegram at Scooby-Doo ETH. Now, this is on the Ethereum blockchain. So basically, if you did want to buy this token, all you'd have to do is fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum. Go into the dApps, find Uniswap, and then trade your Ethereum for the Scooby token using the contract address that you could find on CoinMarketCap. You can find it on their Etherscan, which is on CoinMarketCap, or their official webpage, which is Scooby-Doo, which is 2 O's in do.io. And that is where you could find the contract address. Now, you may have to set slippage if there's taxes. Now, it says 0% buy and sell tax, so you probably will not have to set slippage. It'll just stay at the default setting on Uniswap. And just be aware there is going to be a little bit of network fees and gas fees when buying tokens off of Uniswap. Now, on their webpage, you can find a link to buy Scooby, the DEX Tools chart, Twitter, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, and Telegram link are all there. So, welcome to Scooby, the newest addition to the meme coin universe. Our mission is simple: to bring the joy and nostalgia of Scooby-Doo to the world of cryptocurrency. At Scooby, we believe that investing should be fun and accessible to everyone. That's why we've created a unique and exciting digital asset that captures the spirit of one of the most beloved animated series of all time. Our team is made up of diehard Scooby fans who are passionate about creating a community around our meme coin. We are committed to a transparency and honesty in all of our operations, and we believe that the best way to achieve success is by working together. Scooby is more than just a meme coin, it is a movement. Join us on the wild ride as we bring Scooby, Shaggy, and the gang to the world of crypto. Now, the Scoobynomics, the token has 0% taxes on both buys and sells. 5% of the initial coin supply was set aside for exchanges. So you might see the Scooby token listed on some exchanges soon in the future. which will be used to provide liquidity, facilitate trading of Scooby on centralized exchanges. Another 5% of the initial coin supply was set aside for marketing purposes, which will be used to promote Scooby, raise awareness of the project, and build a community of supporters to help drive Scooby forward. Don't miss your chance to help Scooby, Shaggy, and the gang find freedom. We welcome everyone to join our channel. So they have the Scooby meme generator, which is very much meme coin utility here. So it says Scooby community members can let their creativity run wild and create their very own unique images inspired by the iconic animated series. Whether you want to showcase your favorite character, highlight a memorable scene, or just add a touch of humor to your posts, our meme generator has got you covered. And the best part is it's entirely free to use, so everyone can get in on the fun. We want to wait to see what our talented community members come up with using this new exciting tool, so don't hesitate. Head over to our Scooby Telegram for more information. Now, they have the Scooby Check. Scooby Check is a tool that will help you identify whether a token is a honeypot or not, which is ironic because on CoinMarketCap there is a giant warning for this token. So just be aware of that. To minimize the risk of false results and avoiding falling prey to scams, the detector performs numerous additional checks. It represents the cutting edge of honeypot detection in the cryptocurrency space, providing the highest level of accuracy in identifying these deceptive schemes. So this will be available soon to all Scooby holders. Now they also have a roadmap called the Scooby Map. And in stage 1, launch first version of the website, create all social channels, stealth launch of the Scooby token, initial caller groups and private lounges, grow the Telegram to 500 members. Stage 2 of the roadmap, decentralized exchange update with logo and links, list on CoinMarketCap, list on various coin listing websites, Crypto.com listing, CoinGecko listing, grow Telegram to 1,000 members. Stage 3, Tier 1 call group collaborations, advertising banners on listing websites, meme competitions, 1,000 holder celebration, first centralized exchange listing announced, AMAs with Tier 1 callers, launch Scooby meme generator. Stage 4, competitions with central exchanges, worldwide press release, update the website and socials, grow to $10 million market cap. Beta version of the Scooby Check launched, staking introduced, on and off ramp partners with easy purchase, update the Scooby meme generator, and then last phase, blasting off towards the moon, surpass $100 million market cap, ranked the 5 top meme coins of all time, PR, billboards, revenue split with holders, and become the most talked about meme coin in the world. So they're doing very well today. They're up right now. They're up 167%. So we'll see how if they continue to keep doing well today or not. Just be aware of that big warning though on CoinMarketCap. Do not get rugged. Now I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.